In this video, we listed the 5 best mini LED TVs that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Samsung QNED85 TV. The Samsung 84.5-inch QLED 4K TV offers an exceptional viewing experience with its quantum matrix with mini LEDs, providing precise control over light zones for stunning color and contrast. Powered by the neural quantum processor with 4K upscaling, it transforms HD content into sharp 4K resolution for an enhanced display. The Neo Quantum HDR adjusts contrast and colors dynamically to create lifelike visuals. With Dolby Atmos and object tracking sound, it offers immersive 3D audio that moves with the action on screen. The TV also supports Motion Accelerator Turbo Plus for smooth, lag-free performance at 120 Hz, making it perfect for fast-paced gaming. Additionally, the Q Symphony 3.0 feature optimizes sound when paired with compatible soundbars. The Samsung Gaming Hub brings together console games, streaming, and other gaming content in one easy-to-navigate interface, while the TV also works with Google Assistant and Alexa for seamless smart home integration. The package includes a user manual, power cable, and more, with various connectivity options like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB, Ethernet, and HDMI. Number 2. LG QNED85 Smart TV. The LG 85.6-inch 4K LED TV offers a stunning viewing experience with advanced features like the 7th Gen 5 AI processor that enhances both picture and sound quality for lifelike depth and vibrant colors. It utilizes quantum dot nanocell color technology to provide accurate colors even at wider viewing angles, while mini LED backlighting creates brighter colors and deeper blacks, minimizing the halo effect with precision dimming. Additionally, features like Filmmaker Mode, Dolby Vision IQ, and Dolby Atmos optimize the experience for cinematic visuals and sound. The TV includes a magic remote, batteries, power cable, and quick start guide, with the option for wall mounting, Vaser mount sold separately. It supports various connectivity options, including Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and HDMI, making it versatile for all your entertainment needs. Number 3. LG QNED80 Smart TV. The LG 74.5-inch QLED 4K TV offers an immersive viewing experience with cutting-edge features. Powered by the 7th Gen 5 AI processor 4K, it enhances picture and sound quality, adapting to provide lifelike depth and vibrant colors. Quantum dot nanocell color technology ensures accurate, rich colors even at wider angles, while local dimming improves contrast and reduces halo effects. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, it delivers smooth motion for a sharp, colorful picture, and its FreeSync Premium and Variable Refresh Rate (VRR) make it perfect for gamers seeking low latency and screen tear-free play. It also includes a magic remote, Wi-Fi connectivity, and compatibility with Google Assistant and Alexa for added convenience. The TV supports wall mounting with a 400x400 Vaser mount, sold separately, making it a versatile choice for any setup. Number 4. Samsung 43-inch Smart TV. The Samsung 43-inch QLED 4K TV offers stunning picture quality with advanced features designed for an immersive viewing experience. It incorporates quantum matrix with mini LEDs for precise control of light zones, delivering vibrant color and contrast. The Neo Quantum HDR Plus enhances brightness and contrast, while the neural quantum processor with 4K upscaling transforms HD content into sharp 4K resolution. Anti-glare with ultra viewing angle ensures a consistent picture from any angle, even in bright environments. Additionally, Dolby Atmos and Object Tracking Sound Plus provide cinematic sound quality. The TV is also equipped with Samsung Gaming Hub, offering a seamless gaming experience, and features Pant1 validated color for true-to-life hues. Connectivity options include Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB, Ethernet, and HDMI, making it versatile for various devices. Number 5. LG 65-inch QNED80T TV. The LG 65-inch 4K LED TV offers an exceptional viewing experience with advanced features such as QNED contrast for improved brightness and contrast, and quantum dot nanocell color for vibrant, rich visuals. Powered by the A5 AI processor Gen 7, it enhances brightness, sound, and picture detail for a more immersive experience. The TV supports HDR10 Pro, which boosts color and picture quality, while the Filmmaker mode provides a cinematic experience with virtual 5.1 surround sound. It also comes with WebOS Re, new program, offering software updates and feature refreshes for up to 5 years. Additional features include game mode, multiple voice assistants, local dimming, and built-in speakers, all supported by a variety of connectivity options like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB, HDMI, and Ethernet. The TV's sleek design features a 16:9 aspect ratio and includes essential components such as a magic remote, power cable, and quick start guide.